If you've just installed Hamara Tunnel VPN and you're wondering how to get connected in less than 2 minutes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire setup process, from installation to your first successful connection. Let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is install the application. Open the Google Play Store and search for Hamara Tunnel VPN. Once it appears in the search results, tap Install and wait a few seconds for the download to complete. While the application is installing, let me take this opportunity to welcome everyone who's new to the channel. Here, we upload simple and easy-to-follow tech tutorials designed to save you time and help you get the most out of your devices. If you're interested in Android tips, useful applications, and step-by-step guides, you're definitely in the right place. Now let's launch the app. Depending on your Android version, you may be asked to grant VPN permission. This is a standard Android prompt that allows the app to create a secure VPN connection. Here, you'll notice a list of available servers and network options. Different servers may provide different levels of performance depending on your location and current network conditions, so feel free to explore the available options. For this demonstration, I'll simply choose one of the available servers. The exact server you select is entirely up to you. Once you've selected a server, tap the Connect button and wait a few moments while the application establishes the VPN connection. As you can see, the connection has now been established successfully. You can verify this by checking the status inside the application or by looking for the VPN icon in your phone's status bar. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more straightforward tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.